How many characters can an alphanumeric name have?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this segment, we'll be exploring the question, how many characters can an alphanumeric name have? Alphanumeric names are those that consist of a combination of letters and numbers. So, let's dive right in and find out the answer.
Understanding alphanumeric names.
Before we can determine the maximum character limit for alphanumeric names, it's important to understand what alphanumeric names are and how they are used. Alphanumeric names are commonly used in various contexts, such as usernames, domain names, and database entries. They typically include a combination of both letters, A to Z, and numbers, 0 to 9, but no special characters or spaces.
Character limits in different contexts.
The character limits for alphanumeric names can vary depending on the specific context in which they are used. Let's explore a few common examples. Usernames. Many online platforms and websites have restrictions on the length of usernames. While the exact character limits can vary, it's common to see limits ranging from 4 to 30 characters for alphanumeric usernames. However, it's worth noting that some platforms might have their own specific requirements or restrictions. Domain names. In the case of domain names, which are used to identify websites, the character limit for alphanumeric names is typically 63 characters. This limit includes both letters and numbers, as well as the dot, used to separate domain name segments. Database entries. When it comes to database entries, the maximum character limit for alphanumeric names can depend on the database management system, DBMS, being used. Many popular DBMSs, such as MySQL and PostgreSQL, allow for up to 64 characters in alphanumeric names. However, it's essential to consult the documentation or specific guidelines of the DBMS you are using for precise information. To wrap things up, the maximum character limit for an alphanumeric name can vary depending on the specific context in which it is used. Usernames often have limits ranging from 4 to 30 characters. Domain names typically have a limit of 63 characters, and in many database systems, alphanumeric names can have up to 64 characters. Remember to consider the requirements or restrictions imposed by the platform or system you are working with. I hope this video has provided you with the information you were looking for. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.